Hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the show where you get to watch me eat something, well, spicy. The last one I did, I think, was spicy beef. This one is spicy cheese from ABC of Indonesia. Selera Pedas spicy cheese. Spicy cheese. And this is what it looks like, at least when I prepared it. Didn't add anything to it this time. I thought I'd just go straight on. That's mayo, if you're wondering. So it's cheesy, it's mayo flavor. I'm gonna take a swig off of this and then dive in. So, you wanna help me?
Yes.
All right. Let go. Let go. Come on now.
Come on now.
Yeah. All right. Ready? Mm-hmm.
It's a big toy. Beep, beep.
I'm going to say this one, at least at this point, does not have the same spiciness as the beef did.
Beep. Beep, beep. Beep.
They make so much noise, ladies and gentlemen. It is their main thing. They're like little gremlin. Hey! Gremlin. My brother refers to them as the Bartaloots. So, what do you think, Mimi? Are you having a tea party? I see. You're being awfully silly. I'm sure he does. I'm sure he's just raring to go for a tea party. So it does like just kind of stick together. But it's actually really quite good. The mayo is kind of like, I don't know, kind of weird. But at least it's more Asian style mayo, kind of like Kewpie. It very well may be Kewpie mayo for all I know. But the noodle is nice and sturdy. And I appreciate and respect that. That's a nice chew. It's so weird. So, Mimi got accepted to go to a fancy preschool, didn't she? But the only problem is the Rona. It's already July. Well, what are they thinking?
I see you, Papa.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm eating. Those noodles right there. Here you go. Go dance with the noodles. Go there and dance with the noodles. I'm curious how she's going to interpret. Come over here. Do your noodle dance. Okay. And short twirl. You want to do? You could twirl with them.
Yeah. I got some more.
Done. That was good. I like that. How'd I do? Did I eat it all?
Yeah.
Miles, how's it look?
Done.
Yeah, I'd say if you want to try this, do it. I can't imagine it's like more than $1 a pack.
Yeah.
All right, this has been
Miles.
And this has been
Mimi.
And this has been the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles.
Everything.
Enjoyment of your instant noodles.
Everything.
Have a good one.